Paisa-isang hakbang hanggang sa makauwi. Kaliwa, tapos kanan. Simple lang ang buhay noon. Sana ganun lang kadali ang lahat, na kaliwa at kanan lang ang direksyong may bilang para makausad.
Ma, I know. It's a tough world out there, pero alam mo naman na undecided pa ako, di ba? It's too big of a decision to make. Yes, Ma. I know. I love you. Tell Daddy I called. Kailangan ba agad-agad na figure out ko na? Di ba pwede? I just want to be careful because I don't want my life to be miserable doing something na I don't care about.
Huy! Ano ba yan ha, Phoebe? Nakasimangot ka na naman.
Bakit? Maganda pa rin naman ako kahit nakasimangot ah.
Trust?
Sino ba naman hindi? Sa dami-dami ng ginagawa natin and my mom putting so much pressure on me. Sorry, I didn't mean to land. Pero, gets mo naman ako, Calvin, di ba?
Look, it's okay. I understand. You and me both, in fact. Tell you what, alam mo, how about if the two of us hang out later? Just to forget about everything for a while. I, for one, could use a break. Alam mo, pagod na rin ako, Phoebe. Di na nga rin ako makapag-paint lately eh. Bad trip.
Alam mo, ang dami mong time. Siguro, gustong-gusto mo talaga ako makasama, no? Shh. Alam mo, huwag kang mag-alala, Calvin. Alam mo, don't worry. Ganito pa rin naman yung magiging itsura ko. Kapag in the future, kaya kapag gusto mo akong i-portrait, i-paint, eh, syempre, for sure, ganito ako. Maganda pa rin.
Alam mo, gaga ka talaga, Phoebe eh. Sabi ng gusto ko lang mag-unwind eh. So ano, payag ka ba? Sama ka ba? Libre ko.
Libre mo?
Libre ko.
Sabi mo?
Oo,
For sure?
libre ko.
Sabi mo yan ha?
Oo nga.
Same time, same place.
Sumama ka lang. Nga pala, there's a place I want to show you din after. So I hope you could come.
Okay,
Alright.
let's go.
Dad. Dad, please. Listen, you don't understand. All I need is a little more time. A little more time. Could you listen? Dad, come on. I'll do whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want anyways. Damn it. All right, Dad. I understand. You don't have to tell me twice.
Calvin! Calvin! Huy! Si Tulala! Ah, na-fall ka na, Notch!
Hindi ah. Yan ka na naman. Eh paano? Ang tagal mo kasi kaya eto. Nakatulog na ako ng dilat. Ano? Halika na.
Halika na. Let's go.
Ano pa kita hinihintay? Tagal-tagal mo.
Ay, sige na.
Ang bihira.
Naghintay ka naman. In fairness, ang sarap talaga ng fries nila.
Sabi na nga ba, fries yung pinunta mo dito eh. I really like the 80s vibe of the place. And something about these games, they make me feel so nostalgic.
Alam mo, buti naman nahanap natin tong hidden gem sa Batangas, no? We're so lucky that we're experiencing this today. Right?
You know, gotta say, I love the feeling.
Alin?
Oh, you know, the fact that I exist in this timeline and not anywhere else. Come to think about it, we could be anywhere else right now, but magkasama tayo, we're eating fries. Isn't that something?
I wouldn't call it luck. Parang mas fitting yung destiny.
Destiny. To tell you the truth, I've never really liked the concept of destiny. Kasi kung predetermined na lahat sa buhay natin, parang wala na tayong choice. And who are we if not our choice?
Valid. Pero I'd like to think that someday, in the future, something out there is waiting for me.
Valid.
Well, anyway, what's your plans after college?
Ayun, work for my dad, find my way up the ladder, finally get that car I've always wanted, when I can finally afford it.
What car?
That 02 911 Porsche Carrera,
Ah, that car.
una kitang sakay. Promise.
Dapat lang.
Nga pala, Phoebe, that place I wanted to show you, you know, if we leave now, we still have time.
Now?
Ano, tara,
Wait,
bounce
now
tayo.
na?
Hmm.
Now na? Kuya, patay ka! Teka lang, kuya ha. Okay. Kuya mo lang.
Uy, Phoebe, ilalamig ka?
Oh.
Should have known. There you go. Cozier?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm glad I came out today. Thank you.
I'm even gladder you made it. Alam mo naman, sobrang dalang na natin makapag-bond.
Tingin mo ba, magbabago tayo in the future?
Well, Phoebe, lahat naman nagbabago.
Hindi. I mean, sa tingin mo ba makaka-hangout pa tayo like this? Makakahanap pa ba tayo ng time kahit na busy na tayo? Diba? Did I say something wrong? Hey, what ka naman, madam? Ano ka ba? Let's not be friends. Bahala na yung future.
Listen, Phoebe, about that. Nung nabanggit ko sa'yo that I'll be working for my dad, did I also mention that I need to go overseas for that? Possibly for good?
I didn't know.
Listen, it's all good. Nothing we can do about it now. Alam mo, siguro, destiny ko na yun. Anyways, so ba? What awaits you?
Ikaw kinikilig ka ba? Kinikilig ka, no?
Gaga, hindi ah. Barkada tayo dito, ano ka ba? So ano nga, sasagot ka ba?
To be honest, Calvin, I don't know. I don't know kasi ang dami-dami kong gustong gawin sa buhay. There are so many options before me. Gusto ni Ma, mag-med school ako, tapos you know how it is with my family, right? But I also want to be a good daughter. Pero I also want to live a fulfilling life na hindi ako magsisisi. Kasi ayoko kasi na someday in the future I will wake up asking myself, what would my life be like if I've chosen another path? Diba?
Ano ba kasi gusto mong gawin?
Do you remember the first time we met?
Aba, oo. Siyempre. How could I forget? Nagbukas ang kalangitan. Nagpakita ako. And then I made the decision to bless your life with my presence. You're welcome.
Ay, nako. Alam mo, talentado ko talaga. Art class. Art class. No, di ba nga mag-secret pa nga tayo tapos sabay pa natin nagustuhan yung painting? Di ba? Discover natin yung love for painting.
Then I suppose you want to pursue art?
Maybe. I enjoy it. But I don't think I'm good enough.
Alam mo, you don't have to be the best at what you do to be fulfilled. Sometimes, it only takes being happy in it. And you're fine, you're set. So, don't worry about it.
Pero paano kung hindi tayo masaya sa ginagawa natin? Diba? Paano kung hindi natin ma-achieve lahat ng mga gusto natin gawin sa buhay?
Plain and simple, Phoebe. Do as I. Make the most out of a negative situation. Get that 2002 blue Porsche Carrera. Kontento ka ba sa buhay?
I don't know. Ang dami ko nga gustong gawin sa buhay. Pero alam ko, hindi naman lahat ma-achieve ko. The road is so wide for me to choose a path on my own.
Listen, you have to be. It's the only way to live.
Masaya ka ba sa buhay?
Well, to be honest, with everything right now, not precisely Phoebe, pero in this moment, life's good. Life's exactly where I want it to be. Right here, sitting beside you. And for that, I can't complain. For that, I'm content. Bad idea, but one I'll share it.
Alam mo, gago ka talaga, Calvin. After you kiss me like that, dapat panagutan mo ako.
Kahit ngayong gabi lang, no?
Oo. Kahit na yung gabi. Dahil mo na sa akin. Calvin,
Yes, Phoebe? I'll miss you too.
It's been a year. Ever since umalis si Calvin, hindi na kami nagkita ulit. We tried to keep in touch sa social media, pero busy na yung tao. I understand naman. We wanted each other. Obvious naman siguro. Pero hindi natin nakukuha lahat ng gusto natin sa buhay. Kailangan natin bumitaw, paminsan-minsan, pero hindi tayo talo. I found my way in life. I've been painting again ever since that night. I'm also in med school. Proud na proud si Ma. She also came to my first art exhibit. Looking at what life is right now, pakiramdam ko panalo ako sa buhay. Paisa-isang hakbang, kaliwa, tapos kanan. Hindi simple ang karera ng buhay, pero iba-iba ang sukat ng pagkapanalo. Basta ako, kontento ako. Life is good.
Hello?